everyone, Assalamualaikum. Here is my country in Acheh, Loknga, Aceh. We invite you if you want to go to enjoying here, Loknga Beach and others. In the right side is beach and the left side is cement factory. Fabrico. In France is Fabrico. Okay. This road made from USA 8 after big tsunami in Aceh 2004. Okay. So this road is American standard. Thank you for all American people for your support. Chinese people after tsunami. Okay, here is broken. Overload trucks in front of us. Yeah. Wait, my wife. What is it? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Ana. MG, so late. How do you think, brother and sister? After tsunami, many country help and support to Aceh Indonesia, because this was in the world the big tsunami make 250,000 people victim. Support from other country, all country in the world, the big country, Turkey, Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, Singapore, Hong Kong, China, Russia, all borderless. Right, boy? Oh. Beside me, my boy. He just smile. He don't want to comment anything. So any cow here, cattle. Okay, I think it's enough to here because now it's raining. Okay, stop here. Thank you very much, all people. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.